Hello from Cars FIX Sevt AUTO. In this video clip I'm going to show you where it's located and how to change the oil filter of Daewoo Matiz or Chevrolet Matiz. 0.8 is the capacity, liters is the capacity of the engine, and it's 2005. The oil filter is just in front of the engine. See, that's the drain plug and sump of the engine, and just in front of it is the oil filter. See the oil filter here? Yeah, that's the one. It's a very easy place, but it's have to use chain tool to untight it. Here's the engine here, the sump, and in front of it is the filter, oil filter. With every car coming into our garage, we got new video clips. As the chain tool, we use it for the oil filter just for the beginning, then we do it with by hand. We have two channels. One is that one, Cars FIX Sevt AUTO, and the other one is Peter's Garage. That filter is metal. There's on every metal there's an O-ring. We put oil all around the oil ring. The other things, when you change the oil, always temperature of the engine have to be at least 60 degrees Celsius. And then you filter, put oil around the O-ring. Don't do it when it's dry, because you can cause damage if it's the O-ring is dry. Always tight by hand. We do it only in that way, only by hand. The oil filter, the metal oil filter. We don't use tools, only when it's in a very hard place. Thank you again for visiting our channel. And that's the oil filter, Cars FIX Sevt AUTO and Peter's Garage. Thank you.